All right, I am here at Legion Sports Bar, owned by Richard Sherman and Kam Chancellor. Here with Sam Dog.
Yeah.
Here for the NFL draft.
Draft night, we in the building, Legion Sports Bar. Cam's out there filming some stuff right now, so can't really talk to him right now. I'm going to be refereeing this Bamarita thing for promoting the drinks, getting people to try the drinks, and I got my man here as candidate number 1, so you know how we're going to do this thing. Stay tuned.
Got Messi, Tiger Woods. You got Cam's new Bamaritas. Oh, you love that pick.
Those players individually. There's Walker on first down. Gets the edge. Walker down the sideline. He's got the speed. Walker chugging down the sideline. Can he outrace Michael Davis? He can. 74 yards.
Amanda Nunez, Vince Carter, Legion hats.
This is how we do it. Fresh flavors.
Only the best for the Bamarita.
Hey everybody, I'm the official Bamarita official. Right now we got the San Juan mango flavor Bamarita, and I got my first taste test. My friend Adam, ready to taste it. Adam, go ahead and pop on over and let me know what you think, man.
Alright, mango, let's see.
Yeah, pop it over there. All right. First taste, man. How's it taste, man? How's it taste?
That's amazing. You can definitely taste the mango.
Smooth. Nice and smooth? All right. Nice and smooth. Now we got the Cadillac Bamarita San Juan Cadillac Craft Margarita cocktail. I got Miss Fabiola over here ready to be the next taste test over here. Fab, go ahead and pop her open. Pop her open. If you can get it open, it's kind of struggle a little bit. Might need a little assistance. All right. What do you think of that, Fab? Amazing? Yeah. Amazing. All right. We got a couple of troopers over here. Let's get with it, man. Bamarita official, the official Bamarita official Sam Dog right here. We getting it done. Let's go, man. People are trooping up the stuff already. Let's go.
So we just got done doing a little taste test, and man, it's exciting. It's really delicious. All right, we just got some pics with Cam. Cam right here on Sam Dog's stream. Man, we're doing a boom. We got some seltzers. We're just chilling, hanging out. We're ready for the draft to start. Time to eat. We ordered some C. Davis barbecue. I'm ready to dig in. I've been trying to get to this guy's stand for a while, and here we are. I got the ribs with the mac and cheese, the hush puppies with some sauce. Fabby got a steak, some mac and cheese, and some fries. Let's go. Seahawks on the clock. Our pick is in. Let's go. It's in. The pick is in. Let's go. All right, Seahawks pick is in. What are we getting?
With the 18th pick in the 2025 NFL Draft, the Seattle Seahawks select Gray Zabel, guard, North Dakota State.
Yes! Let's go! We need it. We need a lineman. We got our lineman. Building trenches, baby.
With the 18th pick in the 2025 NFL Draft, the Seattle Seahawks select Gray Zabel.
Great freaking Zabel, let's go!
There's your guy.
Yeah, this is my favorite player in the draft, and there's some reasons why on the screen. 5-position flex. He's played tackle. He proved at the Senior Bowl where he dominated that he could kick inside and play guard or center.